In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of bees and learn about their roles within a hive. Bees are highly social insects known for their important role in pollination, which is crucial for our ecosystem and food production. A beehive is a complex structure that serves as the home for thousands of bees. It consists of different sections, including the entrance, brood chamber, honey super, and queen's chamber. Each area has a specific purpose and is crucial for the survival of the hive. At the heart of every beehive is the queen bee. She is the largest bee in the colony and responsible for laying eggs. Her main role is to ensure the continuity of the hive by producing new generations of worker bees. Worker bees are the female bees that make up the majority of the hive population. They are responsible for various tasks, including collecting nectar and pollen, building and maintaining the hive, feeding the brood, and protecting the hive from intruders. Drones are male bees that play a specific role in the hive. Their main purpose is to mate with the queen bee. Unlike worker bees, drones do not have stingers and do not have the ability to collect food or perform other tasks within the hive. Bees have assigned roles within a hive that are crucial for its survival. Understanding these roles helps us appreciate the importance of bees in pollination, which directly impacts our food supply and the biodiversity of our planet.